Ever wonder about the difference between the tomatoes you see at your local grocery store and the ones at the farmer's market? Those at the farmer's market are probably heirloom varieties. Heirlooms boast unique flavors, colors, and shapes, and are often grown in small quantities. So heirlooms are not just your average fruits and vegetables, they're a delicious step back in time. Now let's delve into the world of heirloom vegetables. First, we have the Brandywine tomatoes, known for their rich, full flavor and a history dating back to the 1800s. Then there are the Long Island Brussels sprouts, a reliable variety with a sweet, nutty taste. And let's not forget the visually striking dragon carrots, boasting a deep purple hue and a surprisingly sweet taste. Each of these vegetables has a story to tell, and they bring a unique flavor profile to your plate. But it's not just vegetables. The world of heirloom fruits is equally fascinating. Take a bite into history with Cox's orange pippin apples, a classic English variety known for its exceptional flavor and aroma. Or perhaps quench your thirst with a white wonder watermelon, boasting an unusual creamy white flesh that's as refreshing as it is unique. And let's not forget the Doyen de Comis pears, a French gem that's considered one of the finest dessert pears. These fruits not only taste amazing, but they also add a splash of color and a dash of history to your fruit bowl. Exploring the world of heirloom fruits and vegetables is like taking a delicious journey through time. We've savored their unique flavors, reveled in their vibrant colors, and traced their rich histories. If you enjoyed this tasty journey and want to explore more fascinating topics, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.